Hello, I'm a mediocre filmmaker, and as a mediocre filmmaker, I think I'm a lot better than I actually am, and as such, I thought that I could maybe make an entire film without leaving my car. So as this is a short, and I tend to be a long, except where it counts, I'll try and sum this up as fast as I can. Get the kit, shoot the dog, get in the car, grab a coffee, write the film, drive around, get angry, shoot the film, eat McDonald's, drive around, get angrier, edit the film, go home, wait a year, make a whole YouTube video about it, and then make a short about the video about the film.
And that's the short that you're watching now.
And that's on my channel, so go give it a watch. Thanks!